This presentation covers Chapter 16, Acid, Bases, and Salts, IGCSE Class 9 and 10 Chemistry Curriculum. This slide provides examples of soluble and insoluble bases. Soluble bases, alkalis, include sodium hydroxide, NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, ammonia solution, NH3AQUE. Insoluble bases include iron 3 oxide, Fe2O3, copper 2 oxide, CuO, lead 2 oxide, PbO, magnesium oxide, MgO. Acids. These are substances that produce hydrogen ions H+ when dissolved in water. Examples include hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, and nitric acid HNO3. Bases. These are substances that neutralize acids to form a salt and water. Alkalis are bases that are soluble in water and release hydroxide ions OH-. Examples include sodium hydroxide NaOH and potassium hydroxide KOH. Indicators. These are substances that change color to show whether a solution is acidic or alkaline. Litmus. Turns red in acid and blue in a base. Methyl orange. Turns red in acid and yellow in a base. Phenolphthalein is colorless in acid and pink in a base. This slide displays images related to halogens. One image shows samples of chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Another image shows that chlorine gas bleaches moist indicator paper. This slide provides a comparison of the properties of acids and bases. Taste. Acids taste sour, while bases taste bitter. pH. Acids have a pH of less than 7, while bases have a pH of greater than 7. Reaction with metals. Acids react with many metals to produce hydrogen gas, while bases typically do not. Electrical conductivity. Both acidic and alkaline solutions can conduct electricity due to the presence of mobile ions, H+ ions in acids and OH- ions in alkalis. The pH scale. The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline a solution is on a scale from 0 to 14. A pH from 0 to 6 is acidic. A pH of 7 is neutral. A pH from 8 to 14 is alkaline. A universal indicator gives a full range of colors corresponding to the pH. pH 1 to 3, red color, indicating a strong acid. pH 4 to 6, orange or yellow color, indicating a weak acid. pH 7, green color, indicating it is neutral. pH 8 to 11, blue color, indicating a weak alkali. pH 12 to 14, purple color, indicating a strong alkali. Solubility rules. This slide provides a table of general rules for the solubility of salts in water. All nitrates are soluble. All sodium, potassium, and ammonium salts are soluble. Most chlorides are soluble, with the main exceptions being silver chloride, AgCl, and lead 2 chloride, PbCl2. Most sulfates are soluble, with the main exceptions being barium sulfate, BaSO4, lead 2 sulfate, PbSO4, and calcium sulfate, CaSO4. Most carbonates are insoluble except for those of sodium, potassium, and ammonium. Most hydroxides are insoluble except for sodium hydroxide, NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, and slightly soluble calcium hydroxide, CaOH2. Key takeaways. Note: the content on this slide appears to be from a different topic but is extracted here as written in the source document. A key summary is: exothermic means heat out and endothermic means heat in. Simple molecules have weak forces between them, which leads to low boiling points. Giant covalent structures have strong bonds, which leads to high melting points. Thank you for learning with us.